YouTube. So we're going to show you guys on how to install this WaterPik dual power pulse massage, and it says up to 2 times massage force. This is other US retail market shower head. Okay. And this one has 6 sprays with Opti flows, premium stainless steel hose. So I'm going to switch to the different angles for you guys to show on how to install this. As you can see, that is the old shower heads, and I'm going to remove it and then take out that nasty looking one. There you go. Let me give you a better angle this way. So you will need a wrench for this job. Gonna adjust the size. Now you know why I want to change this cheap shower head. I'll be right back. I need to get the silicone O-ring out there. There's this O-ring. I need to get it out there. Okay, this is from the old shower head, so you don't want this to get stuck in there and then clog out the water coming out from there. So the new one got this nice stainless steel hose, and there's like a paper covering the hose. You need to remove it and make sure the O-ring or the rubber is not coming out from there. See, you can see the rubber O-ring over there. I need to turn on the flash. You see the rubber O-ring right there? Just like the one that I just removed. Okay, those are the new one. And it says remove the nut and internal pivot ball before installing. So I guess I need to remove it. And there's also a label right here. It says attach this end to the shower head. Okay, so make sure this end is attached to the shower head. And just hand tight it. So this is different, okay? Clockwise to loosen up, to take it out apart, and then clockwise to tighten. See, it says tighten nut. So apparently this one has to go in first. And then you want to screw this ball into the shower head or the head of the faucet. There. After that, you're gonna screw this in. Since I screwed this already, all you need to do is just screw this to this joint right here. Make sure you don't strip it. And that's it. So let's give it some tests real quick. Hopefully it works fine. Oh my god, I missed the angle. My bad. I gotta take it out then. So this is what it looked like after it's finished installing. After you finish installing, you want to make sure there is no leak. So this is just to make it slower, the water flow. There's a switch right there. Wow, pretty strong. And then you can rotate this dial for a different spray. Hold on, let me put it on tripod. Oh, there's a different spray. As you see one in the middle and one is the outer circle. And this is another one. Another one, massage. Oh, how the water is coming out. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you got 6 different sprays, okay? Wow, look at that, nice. Okay, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell for notification, guys. Alright, and drop any in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, like always. Peace.